Morning guys, I'm Dr. Albuquerque. Getting ready to start a whole new day in the Airport Road office today. Morning guys. Time before when I make the plan of switching.
Okay.
So
we'll double check it.
yeah. Okay. Well, to me, the most rewarding part is that these patients are in chronic treatment modalities that requires them to come here all the time, hence why our schedule is so busy. But that gives me an opportunity to know them at a level that I think most doctors can't really have that type of experience. Hello Mary, how are you? That continuity of care is really special, and I think that makes it for me to look forward to my days and seeing some of the people I see all the time. And it's just really rewarding to have that type of relationship with your patients. So pictures look
good?
Yeah, pictures look good. I joke with my patients that here often you buy one, get one free. Because we can pick on each other's brains and discuss the complexity of our cases with each other. You tap and then you give them. Yeah, pretty amazing that Roanoke has at its disposal 5, soon to be 6 vitreoretinal surgeons because there are very few of us in the country, and for Roanoke to have 5 and about to have 6 is really an amazing feat for this community.